Hi, to add Google account on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to just open Settings and here find this Google tab. After that, you should see this option to sign in, or you can go in Accounts and Backup in your settings, tap on Manage Accounts, and then tap here to Add Account, and from the list choose Google. After that, you need to verify your identity. So if you set fingerprint unlock, then you can scan your fingerprint. If not, you can enter PIN code or use pattern. And now we can actually sign in. So for that, just enter your email address and or phone number. If you forgot it, tap this button. If you don't have Google account, then tap here to create one. I'm gonna just enter my email account. Then we need to tap next. And here we need to enter password. So let me just do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. So after you entered your password, just tap next. Wait a few seconds and choose who will be using your device. If you then select this first option and tap next. Then, as usual, we need to agree with Google Terms of Service. So tap I agree. And also wait a few seconds. Now, if you don't want to lose your data in the future, then I suggest you to enable backups. For that, you need to simply tap on the switcher so it will light up blue, scroll down and accept it. And that's all. We just added this Google account. Now, if we go back and tap on Google, let's see this tab with our account, and in all services we can also set Google Assistant. And also we can now download something from Google Play. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.